All right, we're headed out to Mount Angel to the Oktoberfest. So I hope I'll have a safe trip, safe returns. We were amongst the first people to set up camp. With more and more people arriving, Misty surely stood out in the crowd. Mount Angel has lots of Bavarian charm. It's very cute. Reminds me of home. Ralphie met his first marionette puppet and tried to play with it. I really enjoyed walking around and just listening to all the different German music that was playing and watching people dance. But there was rain in the forecast. Heavy rain, as a matter of fact, so I decided to leave and head over to Silver Falls State Park. That wasn't too far away. So Misty's performance in the rain is being tested right now for the very first time, and it is pouring down. But she's holding up perfectly. There's no leaks, nothing. It is quite tough, though, to be confined to such a small space, especially with Ralphie, because he has so much hair. It takes hours for him to dry. After 2 days of pouring down rain, it finally stopped, but I have so much stuff that was completely soaked that I decided to stay a little bit longer. And I was very fortunate to end up with this side. I had to move because there were reservations for the spot I was in. So the spot I'm in right now is a spot that does not have electricity or water, but it is absolutely beautiful. I am convinced this is the best spot in the whole campground, or one of the best spots. It's Loop A, number 65. Let me show you around. It's beautiful. There are more people with tents here than RVs, which I like anyways. The spot is $10 cheaper. There's actually a bridge. I'll show you later. There's a bridge to a little hiking trail. But this is my spot. This is my setup. It's very spacious with huge trees. Hopefully there won't be a branch coming down on Misty. And then we have access to the creek here. Let me just pick up the... Let me show you. It's absolutely beautiful. you like waterfalls, Silver Falls State Park is a must-see. It is Oregon's largest state park with over 24 miles of walking trails and 10 breathtaking waterfalls. There are also horse trails and a bike trail. However, there is only one trail that you are allowed to take your dog on a hike. So if you want to see all 10 falls, you have to do so without your dog. Ralphie still had a lot of fun though. What'd you find? What'd you find? The South Falls Cafe inside the park was a lifesaver for me because it had free Wi-Fi. What did you do? Huh? Ralphie just ate some deer poop. Yeah. No. No more. No more.
Hey, darling. Can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey, darling. We could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far.
And after all this hiking, the Sasquatch burger really hit the spot.
Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand. Hey, darling, I love it when it's me and you on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two.
The lush green forests of the Pacific Northwest are sure stunning. It was really hard for me to leave, but it was time to move on and go for another adventure. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I see you again soon.
Get in that car.